1970s, American muscle cars were loud, wild, and everywhere. You had Chargers, Mustangs, Chevelles, GTOs, all fighting for the spotlight. But hidden in the shadows was a car so rare, so luxurious, and so powerful that most people today don't even know it existed. This is the story of the 1971 Chrysler 300 Hearst, the forgotten luxury muscle car that deserved way more fame than it got. The Chrysler 300 Hearst didn't look like a normal muscle car. Most muscle cars were small and aggressive, but this thing was massive. It came only in white with gold accents, a full-length fiberglass hood, and a giant ram air scoop that made it look like a luxury tank built to intimidate everything on the road. It wasn't just a muscle car, it was a statement. Under that huge fiberglass hood lived a 440 cubic inch TNT V8 making 375 horsepower and tons of torque. This wasn't a race engine. It was a highway monster, built for long-distance American road cruising at high speed. In an era of muscle cars meant for drag strips, the 300 Hearst was built for powerful luxury. You didn't own this car to show off. You owned it because you wanted something different. Open the door, and you enter another world. Leather seats, gold trim, automatic everything, and comfort features no other muscle car offered in 1971. This car gave you Cadillac-level luxury with Dodge-level power, a combination nobody else dared to build. It was ahead of its time, but sometimes being ahead of your time is a problem. So with power, luxury, and looks. Why did this car fail? 3 big reasons. Price. It was expensive, far more than a Chevelle SS or Charger. Massive size. People loved lightweight muscle cars. This one was big, heavy, and looked more like a VIP cruiser than a street fighter. The oil crisis was coming. Gas prices were rising, and huge V8 monsters were slowly becoming a problem. All of this meant only 500 to 502 units were ever made. Just a few hundred, that's it. And with so few built, the world forgot about it. Today, the Chrysler 300 Hearst is ultra rare. Most people have never seen one. Some car fans don't even know it exists. But collectors, they know this car is special. A clean example today can cost $40,000 to $90,000, depending on condition, and prices keep rising as more people finally discovered this forgotten legend. The Chrysler 300 Hearst deserves respect because it dared to mix luxury and muscle. It had unique styling. It was built in extremely small numbers. It represented the last true era of big American power. It's not just a car. It's a piece of American automotive art that didn't get the fame it deserved. If you love forgotten classics, rare muscle cars, and legendary engines, hit subscribe because we explore America's hidden automotive history every week. Tell me in the comments, have you ever seen a Chrysler 300 Hearst on the road?